and change the values of the attributes you make in the when you use the private access specifier. Okay, so we are gonna learn that. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I am Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 10 years old. I am the co-founder at tennisforthekids.com. So today we are gonna learn how we can change and access the values of the attributes and the methods which we make in the private access specifier. So this is called encapsulation. So we are gonna learn C++ encapsulation. So without any delay, let's get started. Dab! So I'm minimizing the screen. I'll keep you guys here. Yeah. Okay. So what is encapsulation? It is to make sure that the sensitive data is hidden from the users. Like, how should I tell you? Yeah, like encapsulation is basically from encapsulation basically you can hide this sensitive data. Lots of people like just take this data all and everything, right? They are hackers, so we can hide the sensitive data from the um, uh, users using encapsulation. Okay, so yeah, and from encapsulation we can like even change and access the value of the attributes and the methods which we make in the private access specifier. Okay, so access a private member. To access a private attribute, use public get and set methods. Okay, so there are two methods from which you can access and change the values of the private members of your class. Okay, let's see an example. So we are making an class employee and we are giving the private access specifier. In this we have made a private attribute salary. Then you're giving public and you're doing void set salary int s. Okay, so you're making a function set salary and you're giving the parameter as s. Then you're doing salary equals to s. Okay, so this is a setter, basically a setter method which you're making, and then what you can do is simply give the value of the set salary. So you can from the set salary you can do the value and then get the value, right? Now and now you have to set it new change the value of your like you now know how to change, right? Attributes value. Now how can you like just get the value of the private attributes? That is that you're gonna do make another method and do get salary. Okay, and you do return salary. So from get salary it what it does is you basically just get the salary and you return it. Okay, in this function method we are doing that. So let's see. So we are doing employee my object, basically making an object of the employee class. Then we are doing my object dot set salary 5,000. So from here we are setting the new value of our salary private attribute. Now you're doing cout my object dot get salary. So now that value you are printing out, right? Using the get salary method. So yeah, look, as you can see, you are getting 5,000 new. You're getting the 5,000 value. you can like, okay, let's give 1. Now you'll run it. So right now you will get 5,000 only, because like you have made the value, but still you are not changing it from the set salary method, right? So yeah. Okay, this was the example. Now why to use encapsulation? So it increases security of data. Basically, you're more secure, and it increases the security of data. The sensitive stuff which you don't want the other users to know. You can give it in private and like use encapsulation. So it increases security of data. And the other one is very important and a very main, this very main important point of encapsulation we should use. It's for read only or write only. So like basically, this from here encapsulation, this if you just do get salary and don't do set salary. So let's do this as, so from get salary, of course. So from here, like you are just getting the value, right? So here you'll just get 1 as the value. So this becomes read only, right? And now if you comment this up, okay, and you do this, then you do this, then you do this. Oh, I said no. Yeah, so you do set salary. So from here it only becomes right only. You can only change the value, but you can't get that value. So what will you do, right? Or you can give both get salary and set salary. So it will be both read only and write only. Oh, sorry, read only and write only. So so this is a big, more very big a very big benefit of this, what do you call, encapsulation. And I'm done with my video, guys. I hope you have learned about encapsulation, as this was a very important topic, and I hope you liked my video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead. Bye, guys. Da 3, 2,